All right, here's another question again. The value of limit x to minus 3. Now, this one, they still give us a minus 3 again. So we have x raised to the power of 2 plus 5x plus 6 all over x plus 3. So now let's use direct substitution. If it give us undefined, we will still use another method and see. So now let's continue. We have limit x to minus 3. We have x squared plus 5x plus 6 all over x plus 3. So now where there is x, we'll put minus 3. We have minus 3 all over 2 plus 5 minus 3 plus 6 all over minus 3 plus 3. So we have is equals to minus 3 raised to the power of 2. We have 9 plus 5 times minus 3 will be minus 15. So now we now put plus 6 all over this one. Now we have minus 3 plus 3, we have 0. Let us see the upper one. So we have 0 all over 0 because 9 minus 15 will be minus 6. Minus 6 plus 6 will be 0. So now this answer is what? Is undefined. It's undefined. So now what we need to do here is that let's break this question down. Let's see x squared plus 5x plus 6 all over x plus 3. So now let's see whether we can break it down. This upper place we can break it down. Let's see. We will now have x plus 2, then we have x plus 3 in bracket all over x plus 3. So this x plus 3 will cancel this x plus 3. So we will now have x plus 2. So now what is the value of what? Of x? Let's check from this here. We have x is minus 3. So we now put as what? Minus 3 plus 2 is equals to minus 1. That is the answer. Now, there are still another method that you can still use again. Let's use a differentiation method and see. Let's use differentiation method and see whether it can give us the same answer. So now we have x raised to the power of 2 plus 5x plus 6 all over x plus 3. So now let's use differentiation. Let's differentiate the up. When you differentiate this x squared, it will be what? X, it will be 2x because you minus 1 from this 2, it will be only 1. So I will not write the 1 because already know there's a visible one here, so don't need to write it. But this 2 will come down. Then you minus 1 from the upper 2. So now this 5 now will bring it down. You differentiate this x, it will be what? Only 1. So you leave it like that. But when you differentiate constant, it will be 0. So let's leave it like that. Have all over. So now let's say you have differentiate this one will be 1 and this will be 0, so no need to write this, so it's equals to. So now let's time and see. Minus, let me see, minus 3. Let's see, let's put it into it. You have 2 minus 3 plus 5 all over 1, so it's equals to. Now 2 times minus 3, we have minus 6 plus 5 all over 1, which is equals to minus 1, all over what? All over 1, which is minus 1. You have minus 1 as the answer. Still, you can use this differentiation method. Or if you know, if this one is very easy for you, you can use, or if you can still use this one, you can get your answer. That is the answer.